Hi, this is Dr. Jonathon Mainieri. In this week's newsletter, we're talking about leaky gut syndrome and the gut-brain kind of connection. And it's just super important. I've been in practice for 17 years. I've seen over 9,000 patients. And we've worked with many patients cleaning out their gut because it's so important. Many of them have what's called leaky gut syndrome. And what that is, leaky gut syndrome, is when we have inflammation in our gut from high amounts of salt, sugar, refined foods, dairy, gluten, alcohol, just many years of that causing inflammation. The gut is supposed to have a very tight cell wall. What happens is that when you've changed that system from all those foods you shouldn't be eating, it opens up those cellular walls and we allow in now bacteria that shouldn't be there. So bad bacteria, viruses, chemicals, certain types of chemicals from medications. All those chemicals and bad bacteria and viruses should have been pushed out through the gut, right, into our feces or into our urine. So now we're allowing that in our body. What does our body do to foreign objects? Well, the immune system attacks it. Then we get autoimmune diseases. Over the last 20 to 30 years, how many new autoimmune diseases have popped up? Hundreds. Fibromyalgia, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia. I mean, there's just hundreds of them now. And so we're finding that if we fix the leaky gut, and we use a company called Metagenics, which GI Sustain. I've been using them for 17 years. They're awesome. They're out of San Diego. And this program there's a 10-day program or a 30. You can do the 10, and it's not bad. It's just very quick. That's for someone that's super clean, that doesn't eat that bad. Most people need 30 because they have had so many years of just junk clogged in their system, and that's why I put that nasty picture on the front of the video so you guys would open it and check it out. But that's from this book, Tissue Cleansing Through Bowel Management. And those are actually some things that they pulled out of people's guts that have been in there. And you wonder why people's guts are inflamed. So I think this book is out of print, but you can check it out and see if you can find it. Tissue Cleansing Through Bowel Management. Dr. Bernard Jensen, PhD, DC. He's helped many patients. He does colonics, kind of show you how to do it. We use a company for colonics in Denver when they're doing our leaky gut GI system, healing system. We also recommend colonics if you have it in your area. So the program that we use to reduce leaky gut syndrome, heal the body, heal the gut, the GI Sustain, you're going to be taking some shakes. This is the powder, and it's a wonderful program because it's rice-based, protein, fiber, tons of nutrients. They have a patent on it. It's just wonderful things. Not a lot of herbs in here. Actually, I don't think there is any herbs because the last 17 years, I've never had an OB or primary say patients can't do it, which is pretty cool. We send the ingredients to them because we work with a lot of doctors. So you're taking some shakes with, and now it's not one of these Hollywood diets where you're just doing shakes, with an anti-inflammatory food list. So it's wonderful anti-inflammatory foods that you should be eating with the shakes. That's what heals the body. The cool thing is after 30 days is many people continue eating those anti-inflammatory foods, which are wonderful for the rest of their life. So we, in here, we don't believe in diets. We believe in lifestyle changes, which you'll see in a lot of our videos. What happens after that 30 days, people have less joint pain, stiffness, they're sleeping better, they've lost a ton of weight, their gut is performing properly now, and it's actually filtering out all those toxins that before were getting into the body causing inflammation. We've seen people who use way less medication, whether that's from ADHD, ADD, anything, and we don't take them off. We work with a lot of their doctors to lower their prescriptions because they're just feeling better. They're healing naturally. So the cool thing about this program, and you can buy this on Amazon or eBay, but a lot of patients buy it from us that are not, because we sell this around the nation, is because they get support through email from the doctors. So we'll support you with, like, if you have questions and answers, you can't really go on Amazon while you're doing this and ask a warehouse guy in in Kansas or North Dakota on what to do with this, especially if things come up. So the cool thing is it includes a PDF of step-by-step what you need to do with the program, how many scoops of the shake, recipes specifically, and I don't think they have that on Amazon or eBay. So that includes the booklet. It includes a lot of support from us and questions and answers, and just some tips here and there, because a lot of patients, everyone's so different, they have different scenarios that come up. Okay, so if you have any questions about the program, you can purchase it below. There's going to be a link there, and the PDF is there. There's an email address if you want to contact us if you have questions specifically about this. You can subscribe also, because we have a lot of different videos coming up, and that way you can keep up to date, because we're going to be doing one video a week on our newsletter, which it changes every week. So if you want to change your gut, which relates to your brain, a lot of people have depression, not sleeping well, hormones, serotonin's off. A lot of that, guys, has to do with your gut. Your digestive system is just wreaking havoc, and a lot of patients don't feel it, and it's been going on for years. And it's inflamed, and they don't feel pain, but they have a lot of other symptoms in their body, because as you know, 80% of your immune system is in your gut. So I'd love to answer any questions, and I hope to talk to you soon.